Hello friends, you're welcome to our video once again. On this video guys, we're going to show you 3 potential coin that will easily triple your Bitcoin in the next 2 weeks to 1 month guys, okay, because these coins are about to explode, right? So taking advantage of it now will be the best decision you make this year in cryptocurrency. All right, so if you like this kind of content, please kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Without further ado, let's dive into the chart properly. All right, so the first coin that we're going to talk to you guys today is VeChain. Looking at VeChain from weekly charts now, what do you see? You see, every time the market makes an impulse, the market also retraces to correct that move. And now we're expecting the next move to take place, guys. Okay, so looking at VeChain critically here, this move, this corrective structure has ended and we're now seeing another phase starting up, guys. So now looking at this from this weekly chart, we can see clearly that the market is set to move from here. Now this is the lowest point at this point, so we can see that this is actually a pattern we recognize, and from here now we'll be retesting either the all-time high, breaking out, dropping like this, and there we go. Okay, you can see that most of the cryptocurrency pairs, they have a similar structure, and the ability for you to understand this structure will give you an edge over the market. All right, so now that is what we are looking at. If you take a look on it from the monthly chart, you can see clearly that this market looks healthy. All right, this market just looks healthy. So that's why I think buying VeChain even at this point now might be the best decision you can make this year. If you take a look on it on the daily chart, so what we'll be expecting and what we are seeing here is that this is a pattern we recognize. This is an impulse. Another impulse is coming, and probably this impulse is going to break this. Now, if you take a look from it from here to there, you can see that obviously that this market will go way beyond this, all-time high level, which is like 2x to 3x of your money. All right, so that is what we're expecting from VeChain, guys. I wouldn't want to give you a crazy price prediction on this, but technically this is ready to give us good profits. So let's watch and see how it develops, guys. So the second coin that you might want to add to your portfolio in the next 1 to 2 weeks is Dogecoin. All right, Dogecoin. I believe everybody last year that if you're holding Dogecoin, really enjoy that massive bull run. But the run is still not over, guys, because this is a correction that is completed, and now another new phase is coming. All right, so this new phase might not really be that aggressive as the past phase, but we are still expecting that Dogecoin retest the all-time high. All right, so we're still expecting that it retests the all-time high. If you take a look on it on the monthly chart, guys, you can see we are expecting one more impulse before, even if it's dropping, and this one more impulse in Doge can be 2x of your money. All right, that is on the monthly chart, guys. So that's why you wouldn't want to slack in gathering some of these coins, because they are cheap at this point now, because just 0.27, all right, at this point. So what we are seeing on Dogecoin, we've seen this is a complete structure. All right, so we are seeing this is the lowest point, guys. So we are seeing this is an impulse, this is a correction, and we are seeing another impulse. This impulse is about to play out very soon, guys. All right, this impulse is about to play out, so watch out for this, guys, because what is showing us here is either it drops one more, but this impulse is coming. Okay, that's on the Dogecoin. Now the next one that we're going to talk about today is the one and only Shiba Inu. I believe you guys made a lot of profits on this coin, but now take a look on this coin, guys, and I'm not telling you based on the market's fundamental. I'm not telling you this based on what people are saying over the internet. I'm just saying based on the structure of the market, guys. Okay, so the way we can look at this structure is 2 ways. First, we have this sell-off, okay, and we have this, so we have A, we have B, we have C, guys. Okay, so then we have this, So this one, which is the first wave down, we are expecting 3 waves down here, which are started. So we have one more down, and there we go. So expect this to happen on Shiba Inu, guys. Okay, and I believe the next phase is going to be very, very aggressive. Okay, it's going to be very, very aggressive because, you know, one thing about most of these cryptocurrencies is once you have a very strong community, you know, the coin is about to give us potential profits. And one thing you should take note of this, that most of these altcoins, I'm not holding them for life. Okay, so once they give you that great profits, you can sell and, you know, reload when the market corrects himself. And that is how we've been doing it over and over again. Okay, so we're expecting Shiba Inu to explode from this point, guys. Either it drops one more, we're expecting that drop one more before the next phase comes up, guys. So that's what we're expecting here. So we don't want to miss out because these coins are highly undervalued, and you know, doubling your money, it will be as easy as ABCD here because the coin is still very, very much undervalued, just like unlike Bitcoin, because Bitcoin I think today breaks an all-time high. And now what you'll be expecting on Bitcoin at this point is a very deep correction. There will be a correction that will come, which is likely either we make this a correcting, a running flat or expanding flat. But the way it looks like this, I think this will definitely be an expanding flat. Means the deep correction will definitely break this low, guys. So that's why we wouldn't be buying Bitcoin at this point. But Bitcoin is still bullish. But for traders, there will be a correction that will be coming up very soon, which will definitely break this low. Okay, taking a look on Ethereum. Ethereum actually is broken the all-time high. Now, will you want to buy Ethereum at this point? Well, you can see that Ethereum, I think, has the potential of, you know, going up. But the way we are looking at it now, that we're expecting another sharp sell-off, which is healthy for the market. But you know, one thing about most market is that market keep teaching us lessons on what it's doing. All right, so we might forecast this is what it's about to do, and at the end, it does what it wants to do. So the best thing for you as a trader and investor is to follow the market. Okay, follow the market, even though you have an expectation, but you still follow the market to see what actually the market is doing. But currently now, if you take a look on Ethereum on 4 hours, there's no reason for sell on 4 hours. There's no reason for sell. So we'll be following this. So you can draw your trend line like this. So we have this, following this. So maybe if you go to 1 hour downwards, okay, 1 hour is telling us something that, okay, the market is losing momentum. You can see that the market is losing momentum. So let's watch how it's developed. We're expecting a correction at this point, guys. So after this correction, we'll not know the next phase of Ethereum. But believe you me, I think that looking at it from the 4 hours, we'll be expecting that Ethereum should make a correction, okay, a deep correction that will drop below 4,000 before next wave, guys. All right, so if you want to trade on Bybit or Binance futures, you can sign up using the link below in case you've not signed up before. All right, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like the video as I bring you the next updates.